Well, hello there and welcome here to my channel. I am here doing a video. As you can see, oh yeah, my phone. We got a squirrel friend today. Hanging out. We've been having some big blackbirds too. With the blue like head. I think their names start with a J. But it's funny because I usually don't see those, but I guess they're just passing through, so they've been stopping at the bird feeder too today. Yeah, right now we got a squirrel friend here. What you gonna do, Squirrely? It's just sitting there. We've been having starlings. Oh, okay, he's back eating. Yeah, I'll put walnuts and stuff at the bottom for like the squirrels and stuff, so they can eat too. Because obviously it's hard for them to get on a bird feeder, so I usually put like walnuts and stuff like that, which that is squirrel's favorite food, walnuts. So that's what he or she are eating right now. No, I might be eating a suet that I put there. Because I put some of those at the bottom too when it's about empty. And then I put a new suet up there. Bird's suet thing. Yep, I'm gonna be feeding them the next couple because we supposed to get down to 30s tonight. So when it's like chilly, that's when I really like to feed them. That's when they come around. You don't see them too much when it's, oh, there it goes. Look, when it's hot. But you see everybody and their family when it's chilly, especially when it's snowing. I think that's when you see the most of everything peeking out. Found something to eat in there. That's where I got all the goodies at. What kind of birds we got? It's just our regulars right now. Oh, the squirrel's back up there. Cool. Now you can see him. You can see him or her even better. They're so much fun to watch. Oh, no, it's going back down to get some more food. We're gonna stock the squirrel. Stock the squirrel today. Birds. Well, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Guess the squirrel friend decided to hide out now, so, or maybe he left. He got enough to eat. But anyways, if y'all like these type of videos, pets and plants, please be sure to give me the like. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you ain't already. And please hit the notification bell so you every single video that comes out, like this one. Until the next video I make, may you have yourselves a blessed day. May you stay safe out there. May God bless each and every one of you. Bye-bye for now.